Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I will be showing you around this Volkswagen approved used Golf SV, which is a 1.4 litre petrol automatic 150 PS GT trim finished in an upgraded tungsten silver metallic paint. This vehicle does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you'd like to find out more information, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So beginning the 360 degree walk around, we have your xenon headlights as well as your headlight washers, which are an option on this model, offering you maximum visibility during all weather conditions. We have these stunning 16-inch alloys finished in silver, really complementing the exterior finish. Moving up, we do have your electric folding door mirrors, providing additional safety for your vehicle. Then we have your heat insulated tinted glass, which will filter out sunlight to reduce the amount of sun getting into the car, which is really beneficial for your rear passengers. Next, showing you your first glance of the interior. So we do have the Alcantara cloth finished in this beautiful cream tone, which is also an option. We do have your centre seat acting as an armrest for additional comfort. You do also have ISOFIX points, which is great if you're carrying any children. Then you do also have the pull-out plastic trays to keep the kids occupied during them longer trips. Another brilliant option on this model includes your rear view camera that will offer you that additional support when making those tight manoeuvres, as well as the extra support from your front and rear parking sensors. Next, showing you a quick boot highlights, where as you can see, we do have a practical space available. Got plenty of room for your weekly shopping trip, and you can easily fit in a couple of large suitcases. Another great option is your keyless entry, which is really handy for when you're in a rush or with your hands full. Then taking your first glance inside the front interior, we have your multi-function steering wheel, followed by your Alcantara finish followed into the front. Your 2 seats offer manual adjustments to help you and your front passenger find the most safe and comfortable position. And then another fantastic option on this model is your panoramic sunroof. This is also another optional upgrade. This is the perfect addition for the warmer weather and really brightens up the interior. So that just concludes a 360 degree walk around. So in the next part of the video, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features. So jumping inside, we do have your multiple electric mirror and window adjustments, as well as your central locking in the driver's door, your automatic lights just to the right of the wheel. Moving on to your multifunction steering wheel, so here we can access features without having to move our hands. So here you can access your cruise control, which is great for them long stretches on the motorway. You do have your volume adjustments on there as well. Then using the controls on the right side of the wheel, you can customize what you want to see in your instrument cluster. So we do have a digital dash display screen where we can find different customizable menus and information. Preference to the driver. This car's covered 20,513 miles. Then moving over to the centre console, so here we can access all your car's different functions. So we'll just go through some of the options that are available. So we do have your touchscreen, your scroller and your shortcut buttons. So here we do have your DAB, FM and AM radio as a standard option to keep you entertained during them longer trips. There are aux inputs available, so you can listen to your own music. Then we do have your Bluetooth, so you can pair your phone to the car, allowing you to make hands-free calls on the move. Going back into your menu, you'll find your driving mode selection with your dynamic chassis control. So this will further enhance your driving experience. Then when popping the car into reverse, so here we do have your rear view camera, which I mentioned earlier. This is an optional upgrade. This will help you with your parking, as well as additional support from your front and rear parking sensors that will give off an audio warning. Panning further down, you'll find your 2-zone climate control. This is also an option, so this offers you and your front passenger individual airflow to ensure you're both always comfortable. Panning further down, you will find your aux and USB inputs available, as well as your 12-volt socket for your media devices. As you can see, we do have your keyless start. This car is automatic. We have an electronic park brake with auto hold. Then here we can find the control to your park assist system, featuring your steering assist, which is also another option, so you'll never need to worry about parking up again, as you have all the support that you need. Then panning further down, we do have some hidden cup holder storage. Then we do also have some additional storage space underneath the armrest. Now let's give you a close-up of the seat. You've got the piano black and the dash and door panels. And then finally giving you another quick highlight on your fantastic panoramic sunroof, flooding so much light and air in. So using the controls, we can easily operate the roof. So this is the perfect addition for the warmer weather. And then when the sun glare gets that bit too much, you can also access your electric sunlight up there as well. So thank you for watching this video on this Volkswagen approved used Golf SV, which does include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.